हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैं मिस्टर मनी आई आपको सीमन का PLC 1200 inputs output cards installation and termination the cables. This is a CPU and two input two output cards. Fix it and connection 24-volt DC supplies and profiable cable fixing and testing. 4 card, 2 input, 2 outputs, and perfect applicable CPU outgoing to output cards. Siemens PLC use this power supplies. This is input is a 380 and output 24-volt supplies. This is a MV की ये power supplies 24 volts and put the input 3 phase and outgoing the single phase 24-volt DC. Use this Siemens PLC 1200 S7. Use this power supplies. Outgoing 2 line is 24 volts and fix it this power supplies. Start the connection, input output cards, sensors and push button start cabling. This is input, this is it, and two output, two inputs and CPU. Then inputs is connection, control wiring, testing and profitable cable fixing. All complete the work. Now I start the PLC. Check the signals. All kind signals is a very good signal came. No any problems. Now I start the machine and close the PLC. All electric step connection and 2000 1200 PLCS7 is now complete the connection and testing.